Hey loves! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create this soft glam makeup look that's perfect for everyday wear. It's beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and super wearable whether you're going to work, brunch, or just want to look put together. Let's get started. Always start with clean, moisturized skin to keep the makeup smooth and glowy. I'm using a medium coverage concealer like by Salman Hamid to even out my skin. A soft glam look doesn't mean heavy, just fresh and flawless. First, I'm going to blend in it with my fingers, and then I'm applying it with a damp beauty sponge for that soft blend. Make sure to take your time and blend everything into your hairline and jaw, under the eyes, a little on the chin and the forehead just to brighten those areas. I'm blending it out gently. You don't need a ton of product for this look. Contouring adds dimension to your face by creating shadows. It helps define your cheekbones, jawline, nose, and forehead. And it can be as natural or dramatic as you like. For this look, I'm using a cream contour by e.l.f. Cosmetics. You can also use a darker foundation or contour powder. Make sure it's about 2 shades darker than your skin tone. I'll also use a beauty sponge or a contour brush for blending. Start with the cheekbones. Feel for the hollow under your cheekbone. That's where you'll apply your contour. Draw a line from your ear toward the corner of your mouth, stopping midway. Then blend upward, never down. This lifts the face. Apply contour along your hairline if you want to create the illusion of a smaller forehead. Blend it into the hairline using circular motions. Now for the nose. Draw 2 thin lines down the sides of the bridge and a small line under the tip for a lifted effect. Blend gently with a small brush or sponge. Time to bring some life back to the face. I'm applying Be Beauty Full Face Palette Pink Shade, and I'll applying it under my eye on the edge. Trust the process. I'm also applying on cheekbone and blending upward. I'm also applying on my nose and blend it well. For eyes, I'm using Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, starting with a soft peach shade, adding it in outer corner and inner corner. Then I'm blending into the crease for depth. This creates definition without being too bold. You can also add a shimmer in the metal of your eye for a little glow. Let's do brows. I'm using Beautify by Amna Pen to lightly fill in the sparse areas and shape them, then brushing through for that natural, fluffy finish. To lock it all in, I'm setting just my under eyes and T-zone with a lightweight loose powder. This will help control shine without taking away the glow. I'm using Zay Beauty highlighter on the cheekbones, nose, just enough to glow naturally. For lips, I'm lining with this lip pen I got from Dollar Tree store in just 280 PKR, then applying a soft maroon lipstick. You can finish with gloss for a juicy look, or keep it matte. Both work beautifully. I learned this lipstick hack on Instagram, and it's so good. It makes your lips look fuller, smoother. Start by lining your lips slightly above your natural shape with a brown or nude liner. Then apply your favorite lipstick and blend it all together. Then apply your favorite lip gloss. Look at this. Glossy, juicy, perfect lips. I'm obsessed. Try it and let me know if it worked for you. And here's the final look. Soft, natural glam that's perfect for every day. Also, I like to mention I applied cluster lashes to look more glamorous. If you loved this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what look you want next, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.